the southeast over the next couple of days, but none of it's going to be from, directly Hurricane Joaquin. I know you've heard a lot about this hurricane, and yes, it's going to be streaming a lot of moisture into the area, but the hurricane itself is going to be way off toward your east. Now, it's still a really big story, this amount of rain that's going to fall. In fact, I almost wonder if people are maybe not taking it as seriously as they should because Joaquin is the big story. But for you guys, flash flooding, huge issue, especially in South Carolina because there's been a lot of rain there. The ground is really soaked. And when you're going to add an additional foot of rain, it's not very often you see the pink color on this map, even in this part of the country. So, yeah, that's going to be a big deal. South Carolina, North Carolina, eastern Georgia, flash flooding, big-time problem over the next couple of days.
Hurricane Joaquin has continued to intensify in the Bahamas. Here is a look at what the storm is doing in Crooked Island, and you can see those lashing winds and rainfall. Right now is at the 2 p.m. advisory, a Category 4 hurricane. Very dangerous storm with winds of 130 miles per hour. We continue to see the pressure dropping 936 millibars at this time, and the projection off to the southwest at 6 miles per hour. These are the locations within the United States that we still want you to be aware of. Once more, it is the mid-Atlantic extending on up into the northeast. We've got a lot of high available moisture content, and again, that tropical moisture is going to be working in. We will be setting the stage for a lot of spots across the Carolinas that could pick up anywhere from a foot to a foot and a half or more of rainfall. Here's a look at some of the forecast models, which continue to nudge the storm a little bit further off to the north and east. And here's a look at the latest cone. Again, Hurricane Joaquin, a Category 4 hurricane.